Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is bullish again. Gold is ready to go up again. Yesterday it was an important day because of CPI. Okay, and as expected, there was a lot of volatility in the market after CPI. When the data came out, okay, there was a selling pressure on the chart of dollar, as a result of which we saw good amount of buying on the chart of gold. But when gold hit our resistance of 3361, we saw immediate reversal. I saw in the comment section yesterday's video that many of you made money also, but I was not trading, to be honest. Okay, I prefer to avoid. Okay. And later on, market came to our trend line support and market bounce. To be honest, this was also not expected because at the time of news or after news, when the market is very volatile, usually trend lines do not work. But yesterday we saw perfectly working. Anyways, we can see that right now market is bullish again. Market is still continuing the structure here. That is, market is forming higher highs. So we can see market is continuously forming higher highs, which is a good sign for the buyers because further upside is possible. So if you have any buy on gold right now, you can hold your buy position. Okay, and if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, so obviously it will be better for you to buy at retracement, because overall the chart may be crazy, the chart may be confusing, overall chart. Okay, but right now we can see that market is forming higher high. So respecting the ongoing situation, it will be better for us to buy at retracement only. Okay, so let's discuss the trading opportunities. But what was the reason why gold went up? You can see gold gains on rising US-Iran tensions, soft US CPI data. Gold rose towards 3370 per ounce on Tuesday as escalating US-Iran tensions reignited safe haven demand, while weaker than expected US consumer inflation data bolstered bets of Federal Reserve rate cuts. US government ordered the departure of embassy staff from Baghdad after Iran threatened to attack US bases if talks over its nuclear program fall through. So my dear friends, as we all know, whenever there is a crisis, okay, gold is bullish. So this was the main reason why we saw this movement on the chart of gold. So stay in touch with the news. Any development from Middle East will make gold fly again. Okay, for example, right now on the chart of gold, we can see that we have a resistance around 3400, 3405. But if a news comes out, then obviously it's not going to work. We have seen when the war between Russia and Ukraine broke out, then we also saw during the trade war a threat that nothing works when gold is being dominated by news or fundamentals. Okay, so stay in touch with the news. Any development from Middle East will make gold fly again. But right now, overall, the market sentiment is bullish. So if you have a buy, you can hold your buy as well. Okay, and if you're looking for fresh position in the market, as I said, that buying and retracement will be better for us. So here we have three levels. Okay, the best level to look for a buy is around 3350, 3345. Why we are looking for this particular area? Because of previous resistance around this level where we can expect the next support. Moreover, 200 moving average is also coming up. Along with that, 3350 is also a round number, psychological support. So this is a support where we can expect the market to bounce. If market takes support according to expectation, we can hit the buy button. The second level will be around 336 to 37. This is the dotted line here, you can see is another level where we can expect a buy position, because same logic. Okay, the previous resistance will be working as support. So these are the two best levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. But just a minute ago I said we have three levels, isn't it? Yes, we do have another level, that is 3361. Yes, 3361, 3362 is another support on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. But you can see that market has already taken support around this area. So this level is not a strong level like 335045 or 3336, because this has been tested already. But if market remains like this, means market remains low volume, then we can expect this to work as well. But this is a weak support now, and these are good support levels. So reliability of these two levels are more in comparison to this particular area. Otherwise, we have three levels. Okay, so these are the levels where we can look for a buy if market takes support. Keep in mind that no level is permanent. Do not trade blindly. For example, during the US session, if we see that there is a certain amount of selling pressure, then obviously use your common sense. Okay, and if you see the market is taking support, then only buy. Okay, because we also cannot deny the fact that market is also forming higher lows here. So if market really wants to continue the swings like this, then it will have to come around this area only. And my dear friends, if you still have not joined the free Telegram community, feel free to join because I update here. Okay, if anything crazy happens, for example, during US session, okay, you will find the update on the Telegram community. And I also post regular market updates, analysis here. So feel free to join. The link will be in the description. There are lots of scams also going on in my name. Please be careful. Only join the community from the link in the comment section or the description. And my dear friends, if gold doesn't come for retracement, because we have only two chances in any market will either come down or market will go up, isn't it? So if market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously, okay, we can look for a buy and breakout above 3380. Yes, 3380 is a level above which we can look for a buy position, but be careful, okay, because consolidation, yes, consolidation plays a major role in any breakout. So here we can see the market has not consolidated properly. If market forms 5-6 more candles here, after that, if market goes up, then you can expect that it will be a powerful breakout. But after forming, okay, not forming, okay, after one or two candles, if market goes up now, that means without consolidation, then there is a chance that the breakout may not sustain because consolidation is like a fuel for a breakout. If you see the market is in consolidation for a long time, it means that the breakout is going to be a very powerful one. So here we do not have a proper consolidation yet, but if market consolidates during the Asian session and European session, it can be a very powerful breakout during the US session. And why I said that the breakout may fail also, because if we look at the contracts data here, we still have a good number of contracts at 3400 area. Okay, you can see we have a good contract at 3400 area, and the futures market you can see is almost standing at 3390, means almost at 3400. Okay, that's why market is struggling here. So for a breakout, okay, for a breakout we need volume. So if volume comes, if you see the futures market is above 3400, then only you can expect gold to fly above 3380. Okay, if you're a beginner, you must be confused right now. Okay, just make sure, okay, just make sure that we have few more candles here, then it goes up. Otherwise, after 40-50 pips, the breakout may fail. And you can also keep your one eye on DXY. Yes, the correlation, okay, is no longer valid. Okay, we don't get to see candle by candle correlation these days, but yes, if the weakness on dollar continues, then we can expect further upset on the chart of gold as well, because they are related to each other. Okay, so do not forget that as well. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. If we move to lower time frame also, okay, there will be some opportunities, but not very reliable. So be careful, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. We are traders, not gamblers.